Hello there, Barbara Ragsdale here, independent maker with close to my heart, and I am going to show you the contents of the Gnomes for Spring Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. So let's go ahead and get started. I will tell you that today is March the 2nd, and I am recording this video, and as of right now, most of these products are unavailable because they are so popular right now, but they will be returning at some point later this month. And so you'll want to bookmark my ordering website so that you can check back every day, or if you want to get notified when they become back in stock, I can let you know as soon as I see that they're available. Also, just make sure to bookmark and my website and to check the event description for all the details regarding all of the products that you see in today's video. So this scrapbooking workshop kit is so adorable. Not only did we have a Gnomes for autumn and winter, but we have a Gnomes for spring now. And so these are going to be enough supplies to create 3 12 by 12 layouts and a bonus layout. And let me show you everything that's in this kit. First of all, you're going to get 4 pieces, and this is all 12 by 12 paper of White Daisy. So you've got that cardstock. And then you're going to get a package of the coordinating cardstock. And these are all the pieces that are in there. You get two sheets of flamingo. You get 2 sheets of limeade. You're going to get 2 sheets of jade. There are 2 sheets of glacier, 2 sheets of honey butter, and another 2 sheets of White Daisy. So you're getting the full coordinating cardstock pack with that. Also, you're going to have a 12 by 12 sheet of some super fun and colorful springy stickers. And then you're going to have the paper pack. And let me show you here. You're going to get 2 sheets of each one of these. And of course, you have your zip strip at the top that is totally usable. But there is one side, and then the flip side to that are these colorful lines that coordinate with the flip side. And then you have a couple of more sheets. This one is clouds. And the flip side to that is this sort of gingham, more on the yellow tones, this gingham image there. And then you have this paper, potted plants, trees, fences, snails, cute butterflies. And the flip side to that is our gnomes, all our little gnomes. So you do get those. And then we can't forget our package of acrylic shapes. Can't remember how many are in there, but they're all butterflies and flowers that you'll be using with your scrapbook layout. Then you have all of your photo placeholders, all the way from 3 by 3 to 5 by 7 size. So you're getting multiples of those. And then also, don't forget, we have the stamp and thin cuts. And this is the stamp that we'll be using. Okay, and then also you've got, let me pull this out. Let me pull this out. So there's your stamp. And then your, just lost my train of thought. Your foam mat, your foam mat. And then you're going to have the Gnomes for Spring. These are the thin cuts that go, the smaller thin cuts, basically. Your larger thin cuts are here. Look at those. Look at those large gnome thin cuts. Wow, that's a lot, you guys. So I will tell you right now, to get this entire scrapbooking workshop kit, it's normally like over $95. But when you get the whole scrapbooking workshop kit, it is discounted another 20%, and you can get it for just a little more than $75. So that's actually a great deal considering you're getting enough supplies to make 3 12 by 12 page layouts, a bonus layout. You're getting your stamp and essentially 2 sets of thin cuts, your smaller ones and then your larger pieces as well, plus your photo placeholders, your acrylic shapes, and coordinating cardstock paper, the whole 9 yards. Let me see if I can bring this back so you can kind of see everything. I know it kind of went a little wonky there. Now, if you're interested in the inks that you need in order to complete, the 2 inks that we are using is Intense Black and Peach. So those would be, that's not part of your kit. You would have to get that extra on top of the kit, but those are the colors. So if you have colors, you have these colors or similar colors, that's what you'll be using for our stamping on there. So hopefully you enjoy this kit. Make sure to check out the event description, and I will be going live to do the first 2-page layout tonight, March the 2nd at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you want to see this kit start getting put together, then I invite you to join me, whether it's on my Facebook channel or my YouTube channel. It is Barbara's Stamp Pad, and I will link those channels in the event description as well. So hopefully I will see you in the next video, or I'll see you online. There will be 2 separate videos. There'll be a pattern paper cutting video and a cardstock cutting video that I will be recording very, very shortly. So look out for my playlist on YouTube that is titled Gnomes for Spring for all of the coordinating videos surrounding this product collection. So we will see you next video.